QNT has finally lost our key area of support that lies between the $68.4 and the $61.3. And at the time of this recording, we are now attempting a break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and also attempting a reclaim of our key area of support highlighted on the charts. And on today's video, I will be discussing the case scenarios that will play out the moment we totally lose this key area of support over here, and above all discuss significant areas that we need to continue holding above on the daily chart for me to still consider this chart as bullish. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to have is an email and a phone number for registration. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of an negative structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, where you can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $81, giving us a high in this additive count 1. And after we picked in that wave 1, we started a bit of a corrective structure in an additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using these target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this additive count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $68.5 and the $61.3, an area that we have now fully maximized. And you can see that in our recent breakdown move, we saw a break to the lower side of the fib level 0.78, and at some point on the fib level 0.88 we found support, and at the time of this recording we are seeing a bit of a short-term bounce to the upside, trying to give us a break back into our key area of support over here. And if by any chance we manage to get back into this zone over here, there's a chance of another bounce back, giving us a break above our next key area of resistance above the $69.1, and I will only consider that movement to the upside bullish the moment we manage to break above the highs that we made in this additive count 1 above the $81. But as long as we don't see a break above the $81, there are high chances that in the next coming days we are going to see some bearish momentum here on the QNT chart. And if that is the case, then using the daily chart, I need us to identify a critical area that we need to continue holding above, and that is based on the additive structures, where you can see that from our bear market lows we picked in a 5-wave structure over here in a move that gave us a high above the $229, completing the formation of this larger additive count 1. And after we picked in that wave 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback in an additive count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that I came up with using the fibs, connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high that we made in that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we fully maximized. And I have been saying to you that we need to continue seeing QNT holding above the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of support here on the Fibonacci's. And you can see that the fib level 0.88 lies above the $63.1, which is an area that we are now slightly holding above. And that means that the moment we totally lose this key area of support, there's a chance that in the next coming days we are going to see a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September above the $56. And the moment we lose $56, then I will be expecting a reset of the lows that we made below on the 5th of August at the $50. And if by any chance we lose $50, then that will be increasing the likelihood that we are going to see a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows below the $40.5 in the next coming days. And that also means that we also have the risk of getting new bear market lows on the QNT chart in the next coming days. So that is all I'm watching out for here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.